Hello, I'm Anna Kasatkina and this is the weekly stocks markets review. US stock indices were growing on Friday amid hopes that Europe is on its way to cope with the economic crisis and expectations of Spanish banks' recapitalization. Dow Jones Industrial Average Blue Chips Index rose 3.6% during the week. In the course of Friday's session, it gained 93.24 points and closed at the level of 12,554.20. S&P 500 index increased by 10.67 points on Friday and by 3.7% over the past 7 days. It closed at 1,325.66 points. The quickest pace of growth was seen in telecommunication and financial corporations, while the energy sector was the only one to demonstrate contraction. Nasdaq Composite expanded by 27.40 points and closed the session at 2,858.42 points. The index gained 4% within the week. Reuters, citing Brussels and Berlin resources, informed that on the weekend Spain will probably call for EU aid to recapitalize banks. This announcement influenced the market as well. Besides, according to the US mass media, President Barack Obama strongly recommended European leaders to shore up the Spanish banking sector. Economic reports from Europe strengthened the concerns regarding the world economy and thus put bearish pressure upon the US shares. In compliance with the statistics, German exports went down more than expected, and Italy's manufacturing output shrank in April. Moreover, the US Department of Trade and Commerce released data showing that the trade balance deficit decreased 4.9% in April to $50.1 billion. McDonald's shares demonstrated a noticeable decline among blue chips after the fast food chain reported a sales growth by 3.3% in May, which is considerably less than expected. Consensus was growth by 5.3%. Such news pushed the corporation shares down by several points in the beginning of the session. However, quotations climbed up again and fell insignificantly in the afternoon. In the course of the last sessions within Molina Healthcare Incorporated stocks, volatile trading was observed. The stocks gained 26% on Friday after slump by 31% on Thursday. Californian company announced that it has prevailed in Ohio, where the governmental bodies changed their decision and let the company continue providing health care within Medicaid program in 2013. At the same time, last week, Molina cancelled its annual earnings forecast owing to disadvantaged cost of its taxes department. You were watching the weekly stocks market review with me, Anna Kasatkina. Thank you and goodbye.